National Resistance Movement Party candidates from different regions are using any available platform to outline their manifesto.
I'm Eustace Buka Aliampereza, contesting for chairperson LC5 Rwampara district. In the first instance, I want to handle the issue of education. I have realized there are gaps.
My name is Norman Virungi from Chegegwa district, and as the people of Chegegwa know, and the rest of the country, that I am the pioneer chairman of the district. I've just been nominated for the position of district chairman once again.
Some have called for a peaceful and stable primary election process, urging contenders to focus on unity rather than division.
I have been nominated to contest as chairperson LC5 Liantonde district under NRM. First of all, a long time ago, people used to think that NRM is for elders only. But I wanted to change that attitude to show our community and members of NRM that even the young people can contest under NRM.
16th July, you make a line behind the teacher, Margaret Chiza Gawera.
And I've been nominated to contest for Bururi in Masini district. It's a new dawn for Bururi. It's a day for effective representation. We are going to start our journey as Team Jaze 26.
I've been nominated as a woman member of Parliament, Mulanda District, Tororo. I'm here for very many reasons. I come up, I decided, I made a decision after noticing, after realizing the problems Mulanda district are facing.
The people of Kasambia, I want to promise you one thing: service delivery. We are not into politics for business or for jokes. We want to work for the people. We want to address those issues that are affecting our people.
I want to assure my voters that have registered today. I want to clear the air that I'm there. I've registered and I've got my file. Just wait somebody with my tag. You make line behind Margaret Chiza so that we can change Nakasongola.
According to the NRM Electoral Commission regulations, candidates who fail in the party nomination process are not permitted to contest as independents in the general elections. This rule continues to shape the high-stakes nature of the party's internal selection process.
I'm the aspiring member of Parliament, Nakasongola constituency. I am happy that I'm done with the nominations. I'm ready to represent my people of Nakasongola. The issues that we have in Nakasongola, the biggest one is big land. Many of the Vibanja holders have been chased out of land.
I'm here to tell the young people of Eastern that I've been fully nominated.
I want to make a difference in Masaka district. Currently, as I speak, Masaka district, we don't have a voice in parliament. The incumbent can't speak anything in parliament.
I have been duly nominated to contest for the position of area MP, West Budama, Northeast.
And I want to tell the people of West Budama Northeast, probably as you look at me, I am the change you have waited for so long. And I will serve you fully, duly. Try me for the next 5 years and you will not regret.
I've been duly nominated today to represent Buganga South. That is the constituency where we are going to have our campaigns. I have a lot to do for my constituency if elected.